Dr. R. Hemavati is an assistant professor in mathematics in Queen Mary's, Chennai. She has specialized on functional analysis. Having 12 years of experience in teaching, she has won various awards for her performance. She has published papers in 14 international journals, 3 national journals, and has presented papers in 10 international and in 5 national conferences. She is also one of the editors for an international journal.
Earlier we have dealt with random variables, continuous, discrete, corresponding probability functions, PMF and PDF, and the cumulative distribution functions. We have also dealt with mathematical expectation of a continuous and discrete random variable. In this session, we are going to deal with finding the mean and variance of a random variable using mathematical expectation. Particularly, the mean and variance of a random variable can be found out using various methods. This is one of the method, finding using mathematical expectations. So, in this session we are going to deal with some illustrations in finding the mean and variance of a random variable which will be continuous or discrete using mathematical expectation. The first illustration goes as, for a continuous random variable with PDF 3x into 2 minus x by 4, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, we have to find out the mean and variance of x. It is not mentioned how to find out mean and variance. We can find out the mean and variance using mathematical expectation. F of x is given to be equal to 3x into 2 minus x by 4 for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So, we have to find out the mean. As already discussed, the mean is equal to expectation of x. Since being it is a continuous random variable, we have to use integration and the limits are from 0 to 2. The limits actually varies from minus infinity to infinity. So, when you substitute for f of x, we have to restrict our limits only from 0 to 2. So, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2, x into f of x is 3x into 2 minus x by 4 dx. We have to integrate this. For integration, I will take the constant 3 by 4 outside, the limits is 0 to 2. We will simplify it so that it will be easy for us to integrate. 2x square minus x cube dx. So, 3 by 4, the integration of 2x cube is 2 x cube by 3 minus x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 within the limits 0 to 2. So, this is equal to 3 by 4, when you substitute the limits 2 into 2 cube by 3 minus 2 power 4 by 4 minus the limits for lower limit is 0. When you simplify, the answer comes to be equal to 1. Therefore, mean which is equal to expectation of x equal to 1. We have got one answer for our question. Next is we have to find out the variance of x. So, the variance of x according to the expectation formula is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. This kind of formula is already dealt with the previous sessions. So, first we have to find out expectation of x square, because e of x just now we have found out and the answer came to be equal to 1. So, the limits according to the formula x square into f of x dx, the limits is from minus infinity to plus infinity. But for our problem, the limits is only from 0 to 2, x square into 3x into 2 minus x by 4 dx. We will simplify it so that it will be easy for us to integrate. In 3 by 4 is taken outside and the remaining is 2 x cube minus x power 4 dx. Okay. So, when you integrate, this is 3 by 4, 2 x power 4 by 4 minus x power 5 by 5 within the limit 0 to 2. So, when you substitute the limits and simplify, the answer comes to be equal to 6 by 5. Substitute x is equal to 2, the answer comes to be equal to 6 by 5, which is now E of x square. So, this is E of x square. So, substituting in variance of x formula, this is equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square, right. So, E of x square, you have got the answer as 6 by 5 and E of x is 1 square. When you simplify, this is equal to 1 by 5. So, your variance of x is equal to 1 by 5. So, we have found out the mean and variance for this problem. The next illustration is for a random variable x, the expectation of x is given to be equal to 10 and variance of x is given to be equal to 25. It is reverse. So far you have been asked to find out the expectation of x mean and variance and you will be given the PDF. Here you have to find the positive values of a and b such that y is equal to ax minus b has expectation 0 and variance 1. So, this is expectation of another random variable which is equal to ax minus b and its expectation and its variance is given. So, you have to find out the constants a and b. So, how to find out the constants? What all is given in this question? It is given expectation of x equal to 10, variance of x equal to 25, this is about x, and about y which is equal to ax minus b. The details given are expectation of y equal to 0 and variance of y equal to 1. Your job is to find these values of a and b, and it is also given a and b are positive. So, we have to find out a and b. How to find out a and b? Through solving the equations. E of y is given to be equal to 0, which implies expectation of ax minus b equal to 0, and the expectation can be distributed for constants. So, a into expectation of x minus expectation of b is equal to 0. Expectation of a constant is constant itself according to the property of expectations. A into E of x minus b is equal to 0 and expectation of x is given to be equal to 10. Therefore, 10 a minus b is equal to 0. This is one equation we have. Okay. And another information which is given about y is variance of y is equal to 1, that is variance of ax minus b equal to 1. According to the variance formula, when you distribute variance of ax minus variance of b equal to 1, but variance of b, variance of any constant is always 0 and variance of ax is written as a square variance of x minus 0 equal to 1, because variance of a constant is 0. So, this happens as a square variance of x equal to 1. So, what happens? Variance of x is given to be equal to 25. So, a square into 25 is equal to 1. So, a square is equal to 1 by 25 and a is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 25. Since a is given to be positive in the question itself, we have to take only the positive sign. So, a is equal to 1 by 5. We have found out a value. Okay. Next, we have to find out b. For that, we have already derived an equation 10 a minus b is equal to 0. A is equal to 1 by 5. So, 10 into 1 by 5 minus b is equal to 0, which implies b is equal to 2. For this question, we have found out the a and b values, that is a is equal to 1 by 5 and b is equal to 2. Hence, this solution is over. And the third illustration is we have to find out the variance for a distribution, and you are asked to show that variance is given by a square into 4 minus pi by pi. We have to use the properties of integration for this particular problem. we shall see how to deal with this problem. Show that for the distribution f of x is equal to 2a by pi 1 by a square plus x square minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, the variance is given by a square into 4 minus pi divided by pi. The distribution is not mentioned as continuous or discrete. Seeing to the limits as from minus a to a, the limits are continuous. Therefore, we assume the function is a PDF, probability density function, and the random variable concerned is continuous random variable. So, we have to find out the variance and we have to show that it is equal to a square into 4 minus pi by pi. Okay. We shall see how to do this problem. F of x is given to be equal to 2a by pi into 1 by a square plus x square from minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. This is the PDF given and we have to find out the variance. So, directly writing the variance formula, variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. So, first we have to find out E of x, then we have to find out E of x square, then we have to find out the variance of x. So, one by one we will do, where expectation of x equal to according to the formula x into f of x dx, which is from minus infinity to plus infinity. For our problem, it is from minus a to plus a x into 2a by pi 1 by a square plus x square dx. Writing it in the simplified format, so that it will be easy for us to integrate 2a by pi integral minus a to a x by a square plus x square dx. Seeing to this integrand, the integrand x by a square plus x square is an odd function. Odd function means f of minus x, when you replace x with minus x, it will be minus f of x. When the integrand is an odd function, when you substitute, when you take x in the place of x, when you put minus x, it becomes minus of the whole function. So, x by a square plus x square is a odd function, is an odd function. So, why do we discuss about odd function? Because actually integrating it and getting it as the answer as 0, there is a property of integration which says minus a to a f of x dx equals 0 if the function f of x is odd. So, according to this, the limits are from minus a to a and the integrand is an odd function. So, this happens, this integration happens to be 2a by pi into 0. So, therefore, what happens? Your expectation of x equals to 0, right. Then we have to find out expectation of x square. We shall see this after the break. Welcome after the break. Before the break, we have seen the finding mean and variance of a random variable using mathematical expectation, and we are doing a problem finding the variance of a function f of x is equal to 2a by pi 1 by a square plus x square within the limits minus a to a, and we are doing the integration using the properties of integration. Okay. So, expectation of x square according to the formula is x square into f of x dx. The limits is from minus infinity to plus infinity, but for our problem it is from minus a to a x square into f of x is 2a by pi 1 by a square plus x square dx. Writing it in a simplified format, 2a by pi integral minus a to a x square by a square plus x square dx. this 2a by pi into the integration minus a to a x square by a square plus x square. I will write it again so that we have to explain this in this slide, a square plus x square dx. This happens to be an even function. For odd function and the integration from minus a to a, odd function integration is equal to 0. What do you say about even function? Even function is when you replace x with minus x, the function happens to be same, then only it will be called as even function. Okay. So, what happens according to the properties of integration? Integral minus a to a f of x dx equals to 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even. This is one of the properties of integration. So, here the integrand is an even function and the limits are also from minus a to a. So, we can write this as 2 times integral 0 to a. So, this happens to be 2a by pi 2 times integral 0 to a x square by a square plus x square dx. We have used the properties of integration. So, this is written as 2a by pi. Now, we have to integrate this. For integrating x square by a square plus x square, add a square and subtract a square. Okay. So, in separating the integration 4a by pi 0 to a square plus x square by a square plus x square dx minus 0 to a square by a square plus x square dx. This is written as 4a by pi integral 0 to a dx minus that a square I will take it outside integral 0 to a 1 by a square plus x square dx. Dx is integrated as x within the limit 0 to a minus a square into 1 by a square plus x square is integrated as 1 by a tan inverse of x by a within the limits 0 to a. 1a is cancelled simultaneously and the limits are substituted 4a by pi, a minus 0 is a minus a into tan inverse of a by a is a by a minus tan inverse of 0, which is equal to 4a by pi a minus a into tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. What is tan inverse of 1? It is nothing but pi by 4 and tan inverse of 0 is 0. So, when you take this a commonly outside, it becomes 4a square by pi into 1 minus pi by 4, that I will write it as 4 minus pi by 4. This 4 and 4 is cancelled and you have the ultimate answer a square into 4 minus pi by pi. This is your expectation of x square, right? And you are yet to find out the variance. Variance of x is given by expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. We have got expectation of x square, answer is a square into 4 minus pi by pi and expectation answer is 0. So, 0 square. So, variance of x is a square into 4 minus pi by pi. This is what you are requested to prove. Show that for the distribution, variance of x is given by a square into 4 minus pi by pi. We have found out the variance of a random variable and variance expectation of a random variable also using the mathematical expectation. Okay. Some more topics are there in expectation, that is expectation of a function of random variable. How to deal with the expectation of a function of random variable? Take this example, The probability distribution of random variable x is given by x from 0, 1, 2, 3 and p of x is 0.1, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.2. This is a probability function of a random variable x. So, if you are asked to find out expectation of y where y is equal to x square plus x, here this particular y is equal to x square plus x is a function of random variable. Random variable is x and function of random variable is x square plus x, and you are asked to find out the expectation of the function of random variable. How to find out? Either you substitute y is equal to x square plus x here and find out expectation of x square plus x, and expectation of x square separately you find out the answer, and expectation of x separately you find out. That seems to be somewhat lengthy. Another way of finding the expectation of y is you have x values as 0, 1, 2, 3, right. So, what is your y? Y is equal to x square plus x. This is 0 square plus x, 0, 1 square plus 1 which is 2, 2 square plus 2. I am substituting x values. 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 square plus 3 is 9 plus 3, 12. So, y is equal to x square plus x has the value 0, 2, 6, 12, which is got by substituting x is equal to the particular values. So, the probability function will never change whatever the change happens to be to the random variable. So, the corresponding probability values are 0.1, 0.3, 0.4 and then 0.2. We have to find out the expectation of this particular random variable y. So, y into p of y we have to find out. Y into p of y, just multiplying this, 0 into 0.1 is 0, 0.6, 2.4 and this is 2.4. Summation of this, summation y into p of y, just adding 0 plus 0.6 plus 2.4 plus 2.4, you get summation y into p of y which is equal to 5.4. So, expectation of y, which is expectation of x square plus x, according to the formula is summation y into p of y, and this is equal to 5.4. So, we have found out the expectation of a function of a discrete random variable. The next example is you have to find out the expectation of a random variable y which is equal to x cube when x is a continuous random variable distributed with a PDF f of x equal to 1. This is x is uniformly distributed. These kind of distributions you will be studying it later, but f of x is specified. Unless if f of x is specified, you have to use the property of uniform distribution and write down its PDF. So, PDF f of x is given to be equal to 1 for 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and y is given to be equal to x cube. You have to find out expectation of y which is equal to expectation of x cube. According to the formula of expectation, it is minus infinity to infinity x cube into f of x dx, and the limit is from 1 to 2 for our f of x. X cube into f of x is 1 dx. Just integrate x cube, x power 4 by 4 within the limits 1 to 2, and integrating this is 2 power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 15 by 4. So, expectation of y which is expectation of x cube both together is equal to 15 by 4. This is the answer. In this session, we have dealt with mean and variance using mathematical expectation and expectation of function of random variable. Here are some exercises so that you can practice and find out. A continuous random variable x has the PDF given by f of x is equal to kx into e power minus lambda x, x is greater or equal to 0 and lambda is greater than 0. Here there are two constants k and lambda. The difference is k is an unknown constant and lambda is a known constant. Lambda is known constant means lambda is specified in the PDF as lambda greater than 0 is equal to 0, otherwise you are first determine the constant k using the total probability is equal to 1 and obtain the mean and variance of x. So, k you have to find out using total probability of as 1 and the k answer comes to be equal to lambda square, and you have to find out mean and variance using expectation E of x is equal to and V of x equal to. So, E of x the answer is 2 by lambda and variance of x is 2 by lambda square. Using this we have to find out the mean and variance, and this is another example. You are asked to find out expectation of function of random variable when x is a discrete random variable. So, expectation of 2x plus or minus 3, expectation of 4x plus 5. You can find out this keeping the probability function as it is, we just make the changes only in x as you want for 2x plus 3 and another function is 4x plus 5. Changes are to be made only in x, no changes to be made in p of x. Using this find out expectation. So, in this session we have dealt with finding the mean and variance of random variable. The random variable may be continuous and discrete, may be continuous sometimes or discrete, using the concept of mathematical expectation. Also, mathematical expectation of a function of random variable is also dealt with some examples. Thank you.